Real quick, before we start this video off, we teamed up with Hot Pursuit Dream Kart Giveaway. Just wanted to remind you, you have until April 30th. That's the end of this month to be entered to win this 800 horsepower Mustang. All you need to do to be entered is head over to Hot Pursuit Dream Kart Giveaway's website and pick yourself up some cool merch. And for every $1 spent, get you 1 entry. But don't forget to use the code Joyride because that will save you an extra 10%. But don't worry, entries are calculated before discount code is applied. Enjoy the video. We got a helmet for little man.
I think it's pretty cool.
Feel how light it is.
Oh, wow.
That thing's light. Amazon right there.
All right, try it on, little man.
Welcome back to another Joyride video. You want to tell them what we're doing in this video?
I don't even know what you're doing.
We're building the Gokart track.
Uh-oh.
Dirt track, four-wheeler track. On the part of our property that we don't use, we're building pretty much a little road course, or what would you call, I don't know, what would you call it?
A go-kart track?
Go-kart track, dirt track, I don't know. Tom brought his 2 four-wheelers over. That's where we kind of cleared it out and we took the tractor and then put a little dirt hill. So we've been making this little track because as soon as we got the go-kart and Tom brought his 4-wheelers over, first thing Laura says is,
don't turn our yard into a mud hole.
yeah, she didn't want us to tear up the yard. So we decided to use this side of our property that's completely unused, that we don't even mow anyway. So I figured, you know what? Now we're getting some good use out of it. What should we call this track? The Joyride dirt track?
Joyride test track.
It kind of comes right here. You can see where we've been riding it and we formed it. I'm gonna hop in the go-kart, put the GoPro on there, and we'll give you like a POV through the track. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
And Liam's ready to ride. Look at this. What do you think you're doing, buddy? Yeah. You wanna ride? Huh? Go show Mama your new helmet, bud, that you just got. We just got this. Keeping her clean didn't last very long. It did start raining and everything got a little bit muddy out there, but you ready? Put this thing back inside. There we go. Yep, that brand new helmet. Next day, different season. Virginia is probably the only place you can live and experience all 4 seasons in 1 week. And you know any other places that you could do that?
No.
See, that's, I guess, I don't know if that's a good thing about Virginia or not, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk this track. You got a 50-foot tape measure?
I got a 50-foot tape.
We're gonna walk the go-kart track. I mentioned before in this video, we're trying to figure out, we want to name the track. We need ideas. Drop ideas below. You know they're gonna come up with, somebody's gonna come up with something clever.
Come up with something good.
50 foot. Are you gonna help us measure this? Let's measure this thing. Hold on, before we measure it, let's take guesses. I'm gonna say 1320.
1750.
1750? You're going big. I actually thought 1320 was gonna be kind of big. I'm just going with 1320 because that's quarter mile. Dylan?
1624.
Before, you know, Dylan put in his guess, I'm gonna put a disclaimer out there. Dylan did walk this thing and guessed it because I told him we were gonna do this today. So he went out here and literally walked this thing like a dork and measured it off with his feet. So I'm calling you out for cheating.
Yeah.
So I guessed 1320 before he even did that, didn't I?
Yeah.
And I thought that, and when he said, he walked it off, he says it's 1,600 feet, but we're gonna find out for sure. Tom thought it was crazy because I actually want to measure it. It could be 500 feet, and then we could call it the front Royal 500.
There we go. Yeah.
Backyard 500.
There we
Let's
go.
start right here.
Okay.
Keep going. Just gonna pull it out. So that's 150? 150. He's walking it.
All right. 450.
There you go, 450. Keep going.
Going up the hill.
Go. 500 feet. How many you got right there? Is that 600? Because that's 550, 600. Right there on that corner. You got that? Whoa, is that 600? What is that? 700? 700 feet right there. Can you say 700? Or not? We've actually weared this out pretty good. Hey, where are you going? He just took off and left it. What was that? 800? That right there is 1,000, Tom. That's 1,000 right there. I think I might be the closest. Yeah, but we still got to go way down here and around that bend and then back up right there. 1,050, 1,100 right there. I'm gonna be off, Tom. Now he's back in the game. This right here is 1,300 feet. 1,300. Look at that. We have a quarter-mile track. That's sick. Dude, I could title this video, I got a quarter-mile track in my backyard. It's 1,350 right there. Plus another 10 feet, 1,360. 1,360. That's pretty sweet. That extra, you know, feet, that's your slowdown.
Yeah.
Your slowdown.
That's
1,360. Wow. Hey, you gotta put your hat back on, but this is the go-kart. Let us know what you think of the go-kart as well, because we're actually looking at picking up a second one. You know, now that we have this track, it's always gonna be a lot more fun if you got a second.
Yes.
We got a quarter-mile track in the backyard, so we can title that Backyard Quarter-Mile Go-Kart Track. Hey, I'm gonna make t-shirts, 1360 videos, and all the way looped all the way up and around here, back through here, and then back down here. 1,360 feet, and he wants to ride. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I'm about to take little man for a ride in a go-kart. He wants to ride. We're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna ride the track. So comment below. Let us know what you guys think of the 1360 track, or 1360 backyard track. Actually, what should we name this track? What do you think?
Backyard quarter mile.
Backyard 1360. I don't know. Comment that below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think of the track, the go-karts, and you can tell Tom that his four-wheelers are crappy. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay.
Let's ride.